so much lately. I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Hey guys, I'm starting this vlog late, sorry. It's 12ish. Yeah, 12:15. I'm gonna have a little bit of lunch. I'm gonna have leftover pizza from last night, and then we're gonna go to a coffee shop. Actually, I'm gonna go to Wilco. Or do I go to Wilco first? Actually, I'm not hungry yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Wilco and Costa first. We're gonna get a little bit of work down, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna get everything ready. Cafe just because honestly I don't feel great, so what I am doing is I'm going to make myself a hot drink. Just try and keep myself warm while I'm out. I have folded 2 scarves in on themselves so that it's extra thick to keep me warm. That actually was working nice and good. It's the rest of me that's cold now, and I'm going to run to Wilco and get some medicine, but first I'm going to make myself this hot drink. So I make it using hot milk and Malteser hot chocolate because that's just the first one I grabbed and it sounded good, to be fair. So, and peppermint to it. I got these some point last year, I think, this year, but it sounds good, so I'm gonna add that too. Let's put that in my cycling. I believe my grandmother's coming to visit tomorrow. I should double check that though, because I don't know if Dad's heard of her or not. That's definitely cooked. Well, heated through. I have a ton of dishes to do as well, but because Dad left them. I left my coat out in the car because I'm an idiot, so that's what we're gonna go get now before we head to the shop. And yes, I am aware that I probably make absolutely no sense. My brain doesn't work properly when I'm sick. But does anybody's brain work properly when they're sick? I don't know. I have my drink, my phone, and weird coffee shop in the background. More off. I was gonna go out, but honestly, sitting in a coffee shop with this cough didn't sound like a good idea or a fun idea, so I'm gonna do all this. We're gonna head to the shop, and then we're gonna bundle up on my bed and edit together and eat pizza, because pizza's the only thing that sounds good at the moment. I know, weird, eh?
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Alright, I have the heaters going. It's 3 o'clock, and I'm gonna take my leftover pizza from yesterday, and I'm gonna go heat some of it up to eat, because I'm officially getting hungry, which is nice. I just need to take some more meds. Then we can edit, because I have yet to do any of that. So I'm gonna heat all this up, and then let's edit. That's the way I'm looking at it. Okay, so, I have chocolate and drink. Dad's been and gone. He had to go do something. And Grandma isn't coming because she has a snow warning up near her, and it just doesn't make sense. She's made the decision to stay in, stay safe. Fine with us. We'd rather her be safe than risk it. So, and quite honestly, I think between me getting, infection, because I'm starting to, TMI, hack up like green phlegmy stuff, which I originally thought might be like nastiness from this cold. I'm starting to think that actually, sadly, it might be some form of infection. So, if it's been nearly a week of this getting worse. So if it doesn't start sounding or seeming better tomorrow, I'm going to have to admit defeat and try and get a doctor's appointment for Monday. But that means I officially have a second day of just chilling out at home, which is really nice because honestly, I'm starting to feel this cough, cold, whatever this thing is. I have Slow Horses going in the background. I tried it the other day. I actually quite enjoyed it. I still wouldn't call it like my top tier TV program go-to, but it's good enough. We're going to edit now because I need to get as much of this edited as I can so that I don't forget. I'm still watching Slow Horses. I've got it on mute right now. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because honestly, all I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is, the rest of the evening. There's not much of the day left. Is relax and try and rest up and not cough a lung up while I'm at it. I do need to go get more medicine. I have found that tapping myself on the chest works great. So I've been doing that every once in a while. Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I know I promised you some sit-down videos, but I'm really sorry I haven't been able to do so. This year has just flown by, and it's kind of nuts, honestly. So if I remember, I'll leave things linked, or if I see things, I'll leave them linked down below. Or if you're really interested, things like the gift guides and the stocking stuffer in particular doesn't change that much over the years, so I'll leave those linked down below and in the iCard for you so that you can check them out, because last year's will be the same as this year's, particularly for little one and friends and things. Those stocking stuffers very rarely change. I hope that helps, and I'll see you all in a bit. Well, tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh.
Everything out in Whoville Christmas a lot. There's a breakthrough just north of Whoville, seeing not. They've repeated Christmas the whole Christmas season. Now please don't ask why, no one quite knows the reason.
For you, I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.